Under the ENCC, today the 20th of December, garbage disposal trucks of the Jowai Municipal Board were chased out from the Thad Musem where they were supposed to dispose the collected garbage. The committee includes members of the KSU Mudop Nartiang Unit, FKGGP Nartiang Unit, HNYF Nartiang Circle, MPUF Nartiang Circle, JSM Nartiang Circle, and residents of Kro Kule, Thad Musem, Nongkro, and other nearby villages of these places. With one mindset, they also held a short meeting to strongly oppose the disposal of garbage by Jowai Municipal at Thad Musem. The action of Jowai Municipal Board has affected people's health, drinking water, the fresh air as well as the surrounding area and agricultural fields of the place, stated by the President of HNYF West Jaintia Zone, Shri H.W. Sutong. After the arrival of the municipal trucks, the police force also arrived at the said location, but the people present at the location did not allow the trucks to dispose the garbage at the location and chased out the trucks to their starting points.
Kejing monjure wo no jeb ke municipal cha ke cenong yong I siau bahai rak tilang monjur pi no jeb ke municipal sini ma mon ma yen teli pi wi cerita perca pia mo pdiang pia mo to kublei cibon ye woro thap gikti kam kedak kejing teli ta